2006, Hitachi engineers discovered their hard drive sensors were literally poisoning themselves to death. These magnetoresistance heads are the tiny sensors that read every bit of data on your hard drive, smaller than bacteria operating at the quantum level. They work using the giant magnetoresistance effect discovered in 1988, which won the Nobel Prize. Basically, electron spins change resistance based on magnetic fields. Inside each sensor is a precisely engineered sandwich tantalum base nickel-iron free layer copper spacer, cobalt iron boron pinned layer, and platinum manganese antiferromagnet, each layer just atoms thick. The free layer flips its magnetic orientation with passing data bits, while the pinned layer stays fixed, creating resistance changes that become electrical signals your computer reads as ones and zeros. Manufacturing these requires photolithography, sputtering ion milling, and reactive ion etching with sulfur hexafluoride gas to carve structures smaller than wavelengths of visible light. But here's the disaster: during etching, the fluorine gas was attacking exposed copper and cobalt atoms, creating toxic metallic compounds that literally poisoned the sensor, making it unable to detect magnetic fields. Testing showed these contaminated sensors had completely broken magnetoresistance curves. They couldn't distinguish between positive and negative magnetic fields, making them useless for reading data. The solution was brilliant. Instead of redesigning the entire process, they added a protective alumina insulating layer that shields the vulnerable edges during etching, like a nanoscale hazmat suit, protecting the sensor from chemical attack. They deposit this protective layer using a clever lift-off technique. The photoresist acts as a sacrificial template, leaving perfectly aligned protective barriers exactly where needed. This breakthrough enabled the multi-terabyte drives we use today. Without it, we'd still be stuck with drives a fraction of the size, because sensors would fail during manufacturing, costing billions in losses.